this is Joshua Baker, the owner of Cinderella's Wedding DJs and Event Services, and it has been a while, so welcome back to the channel. It's been a very busy August, so be prepared to get a lot of videos sent your way via this YouTube channel, including this one for Yusuf and Faith. It's a classic wedding at the Pine Knob Mansion. Let's take it to the truck.
All right, so we got 3 weddings this weekend. Friday, Pine Knob Mansion in Clarkston, Michigan. Saturday, we're going down to Ohio, and Sunday back at the Pine Knob Mansion in Clarkston, Michigan. Super busy weekend, a little bit of travel, so some close, one far. Whew, it's gonna be a heck of a weekend. Let's get it on.
So we're here, we're gonna do a marriage ceremony. This is like one of the oldest ceremonies in the world. Humans have been doing this for 4,000 years.
Ladies and gentlemen, the bride and groom are going to have their first dance as husband and wife.
Something that I love to do, and I do it at almost every wedding, is to start open dancing with a special moment with the bride and groom on the dance floor by playing a slow song and inviting everyone to come on out with someone special to them and share that moment together, kind of like this. Well, there you have it. It might not be an instant classic gig log. That's on me. It's been a minute since I put out a video, but it's certainly a classic gig log for Yusuf and Faith at the Pine Knob Mansion. So on to the shout outs. A shout out to Hannah at Lasting Luray Photography. Fantastic to work with you. I know you got some amazing shots. And then a big shout out to Pine Knob and everybody that works there. Amazing staff, amazing food, and of course, amazing views. So thank you for checking out the YouTube channel and certainly this gig log video. If you love it, hit the like button on the video. Please subscribe to the channel and I will see you at the next wedding.